Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to sunny Las Terrenas. Today, we're in an awesome complex, and I'm going to want to show you a one-bedroom, one-bathroom apartment in this complex. As you saw behind me, there was this magnificent pool central to all the buildings here in the complex. So, if you have a walk with me, you'll see how beautifully landscaped this entire complex is. There are beach lounge chairs located throughout the complex, and this fantastic tree that's located right in front of the apartment. Straight ahead, you'll see right on the corner unit that one bedroom that I was talking about with an awesome patio. That patio sits about 6 to 8 people comfortably for entertaining. And the HOA fees here in the complex includes the maintenance of the pool's propane gas for cooking is $110 per month. Also includes the electricity, the communal electricity, and there's a generator on the complex to keep that electricity going. On my left, you see that little building over there? Also included in the HOA fees, private laundry or communal laundry for the complex. Cute, awesome looking patio. Seats 8 people very comfortably for entertaining. And when you're on the other side, you're looking at the pool directly ahead of you. Wonderful, wonderful wooden doors, glass paned. And as you can see before we walk through, there is this magnificent screen that's magnetic to prevent insects from coming in. You've seen it on all the commercials on TV. As we walk through, we enter the living room. It's small, and by the way, everything you see here, except for the fridge magnets, come with the apartment. So all the furniture that's outside on the patio, the 65-inch TV, the couches, the tables, newly renovated kitchen. The entire condo is renovated. So 2022 is the recent renovation. Fridge magnets do not come, but everything else does. If you come through the hallway, leads you off to the one bathroom on my left and the master bedroom, which we'll take a look at. Very nicely done bathroom for a couple, for a single person. And located up in these cupboards are inflatable pool chairs. Those also come with the apartment. Heading into the master bedroom, fairly large master bedroom, as you will see. Closet space on the left. So this wonderful, cute apartment is in a complex that's very, very quiet and is about 200 meters, 1 minute to the beach. If you can't find the beach, you've obviously gone the wrong direction. Folks, thank you very much for stopping by today and taking a look at this. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit that notification bell, and please give me a phone call. And again, my name is Barry. My videographer was my good friend Lucian. Let's not forget him. Thanks for coming by, folks. See you later.